Hello, my friends. Before I begin teaching, I want to make sure you understand why we will be using Shopify to create an online stores. If you don't know, Shopify is the platform we will be creating our online stores. And there's a lot of the other platforms like WordPress, WooCommerce, Wix, BigCommerce, Magento, and a lot more. Alright, so why will we using the Shopify instead of using this other platform? That is what I am going to tell you in this video. First of all, Shopify is like the Android and iOS of an e-commerce. If you know, most of the big brands like Zimsack of UK, which is a billion-dollar company, Kyle Cosmetics, merchandise sold of Logan Paul, Mr. Bass, and OD, which is the fastest growing company in Australia, they are using Shopify. Alright, there is a region, so there is like all in one the platform, which is the basic Shopify plan that are using, which come $29 a month. You get everything. You can add any number of the podcast, you can any number of your products, you can have any number of customers, and it has everything you need to run your online business. But with other platform, it can be very tricky. You may need to have some plugins and add-ons to have this number of customers to add the product and stuff. While in Shopify, user have the Shopify basic plan and everything is right in the front of you. You don't need to go to some plugin, add-on and more like stuff. Shopify simplifies a lot of things in e-commerce, and also because of its popularity, a lot of app developers create dedicated EPS for Shopify, which are not available on other platforms. By app, I don't mean those apps in App Store or Play Store. These are apps are dedicated for Shopify, which you can use to add some additional features functionality in your online store, which we will talk later in this video. There are really cool and amazing apps which you can use for Shopify, but which is not available for any other platform. And let's say you want an app for your online business. If you use Shopify, you can do that with the snap of button, and you can create a professional grade app with the click of the few buttons. If you are not using Shopify, you have to hire a developer, and it will cost you like $5,000 at least to create a professional. But with Shopify, you can do it with less amount of money, and you can do it without hiring anyone. I will show you how you can create an app. Also, this is not an app creating codes with Shopify. It is so simple, and it will explain it in just one video. And in this video lesson, in this course, that founder of Get E-commerce, and I will upload some quizzes, and billion-dollar company says that once they move from Shopify to any other platform, they can come back to solidity. And he said that there is no other platform that competes with Shopify because of how powerful the Shopify server is. Alright, so even if you plan to run a billion-dollar businesses, Shopify is all you need. So why do you need to go to other platform and do some learning? And at the end you feel like it's not enough and that you need to learn Shopify. So you should not to do that. You can simply start with Shopify. It is affordable, really affordable, and it's all you need. Even if you can run a billion-dollar business, sacrifice everything you will need. That is why we will use Shopify. Hope you understand. If you like this video, please don't forget to comment in the comment section box, and please subscribe my YouTube channel Get E-commerce. I am bringing a lot of exciting courses relating to e-commerce for free of cost. I hope you get insightful information from my video. I will see you guys in my next video about Shopify course.